Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Today we will be grilling one of Ghanaians' favorite fish, which is tilapia. Now let's get started. I'll be making my own marinade to marinate my fish, and I use the following ingredients: some chilies, ginger, onions, garlic, olive oil, suya powder, cumin, Maggi cube, coriander, fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, thyme, and rosemary. I'll link all the measurements in the description below. To a blender or vegetable chopper, add all your ingredients and blend till smooth. This marinade is great for all type of meat. I purchased my tilapia from my local fishmongers. They cleaned it by removing all the scales and they gutted the fish for me. Using a sharp knife, make some incisions in your fish. This will allow the fish to absorb all the marinade, which we will be adding later. Now, before adding my marinade, I will lightly season my fish with some sea salt. You can use any type of salt. Now time to add the marinade. Ensure the fish is well coated in the marinade. Now place the fish in a bowl, cover with cling film, leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours or preferably overnight. Now, time to grill the fish. Place the fish on a baking rack or baking tray. Place the fish in the oven and allow each side to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the fish from the oven, flip it over, baste the fish with some of your marinade, put it back in the oven and allow the opposite side to cook for 10 minutes. Whilst the opposite side of the fish is grilling in the oven, I'll be making some garnish for my fish. I'm using tomato, red chilli, green chilli, and red onion. I'll be using half of the red chilli, half of the green chilli, and half of the red onion. Now, place all the chopped veggies in a bowl, season with half a teaspoon of aroma and half a teaspoon of olive oil, mix together and set aside. Our fish is done. Ay, what a delicious looking piece of fish. Ay, in fact, who's bringing the kenkey? Who's bringing the banku? In fact, who's bringing the eba? Plate up your fish, add your veggies, add some shito, add some grinded pepper, and just enjoy your mouth. Let your mouth have a party. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. I'll see you at the next video. Bye.